Okay, here's the router plugged in. Just turned it on. Enter to continue. And it's lifting up. And hopefully it'll go home to its home position. There it goes. There's the cutter down there. I believe it's lining up, it lines up on the edge, it looks like. And that height is probably something I can set up in software. You got all kinds of programming you can do on there. And then, let's see, where is it? Then when you want to load the software, your program, you put it in the USB and type load into the little box there. And it loads it, and then it moves around that cutting tool, and your piece is right on here, and you can carve pictures. Well, that's what they say. At least I got it off the truck. Oh well, I'm happy.